Hey guys, I've been laying off the sticker nights. Real busy lately, you know, work and everything else. Life gets in the way, so I got 4 stickers here. I'm going to quickly put on the board, then we're going to get right into a video of me and Winston working on the sawmill. Figured I'd throw that in there. So, sorry for the sticker laziness. Len's keeping busy. Len sent me a letter here. It says, hi Kenny, sorry it took so long. Sorry it took so long for me to get your sticker on my board, Len. Enjoying watching your channel and the music you play. Can't be country enough, Len says. Be nice when you're back doing side-by-side videos. Well, now that you mention it, Len, I'll give you a glimpse of my side-by-side here before we go. So, Len, Mr. Len, he's in Ontario. And Len has got a very unique way of stacking firewood. You can see that there in the picture. So if you go to Len's channel, Len's Keeping Busy, you'll see how he stacks his wood. And he's into garden tractors, splitting wood, and chainsaws. And he gets the wood brought in by the truckload and stacks it in a very unique way. So Len's keeping busy going on the board. Right under maintenance with Mike and next to Boda Bob. There you go, Len. You're on the board, my friend. Next up, Bobby Six Guns. That's his cool sticker right there. So, what we're gonna... He sent me a letter here and it says, Kenny, thanks for reaching out in the comments. I appreciate you watching and commenting. Bob Ferguson. So Bob is a US based man. Northern Indiana, I believe. Bobby is into Stihl chainsaws. He has a number of Stihl chainsaws. I won't hold that against you. And splitting wood, stacking wood, and all kinds of great stuff to do. He's a wood hound, basically. So Bobby Six Guns. Check out Bob's channel. Bobby Six Guns. That's the ones I like. You just fold it back. Okay, Bob, you're going... Bob is going underneath Bob. Bob, you're going underneath Boda Bob. And right underneath some more firewood.
Been some years ago since I left from my island.
There you go, Bob. You're now on Open Air Adventures sticker board. Alan, Club Dora. Located in Minnesota. And hi Kenny, here's our channel sticker. We'll be watching your videos. I've watched some of your videos. It takes a while to get the number of subs, and I don't think Alan's channel's been on YouTube for too long, and he's growing quick. He's doing well. Thanks for subbing to our channel. I really appreciate that. Thanks again, Kenny. Looking forward to following your channel, and I'll be sending you a sticker, Alan. At Club Dora. Of course, Alan is into the firewood. He's got a nice operation there, splitting all kinds of nice equipment. Check out Alan's channel at Club Dora and you'll find out what I mean. And you're going right underneath Schmore firewood and BNF firewood, outdoor firewood here, Brittany and Francis. There you go, Alan, you're on the board, my friend. Alright, so we went from Canada, US, and back to Canada again. And I've been waiting for a sticker from this guy. He's basically a neighbor of mine, Nova Scotia. Jeff. So you've probably seen Jeff's channel, Logfather. Don't have to, if you watch Jeff's channel, you'll understand what I'm talking about. This man is a genius. Yes, Jeff, you're a genius. Jeff has he don't fool around. If he wants a sawmill, if he wants a processor, he's not buying it. He's building it. He built his processor, and he built his own sawmill. Like, this guy's amazing. Like, if you haven't checked out the Logfather on YouTube, you ain't seen nothing. Like, this guy's amazing. So Jeff, the Logfather, you're going on the board tonight. You're going underneath Father and Son Outdoors and next to Tucker and I. Jeff, Nova Scotia, going to be right close to two Newfoundlanders there, buddy, so you're in good hands. I'm going to tuck you up a little higher here in between these guys. Cool sticker, buddy, cool sticker. So, here. Just the best part of getting into the Kool-Aid. Len's Keeping Busy. Bobby Six Guns. Club Dora. And the Logfather. You're now on Open Air Adventure sticker board. Oh, cool stuff. Good stuff, guys. Thanks a million. I'm going to send you out a sticker also. So, I'll give you a quick glimpse of the sawmill. Some of the work we did to the sawmill and put a log roll, a new brow on. How'd that get on there? That's more firewood. He's bad, that fella. He's always covering up Allen family firewood stuff. He's full of the devil, that guy. Check out my Sawmill video, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for coming along. You win some, you lose some. It's okay, as long as you're having fun. Okay, buddy? Maybe next time we'll do a little better. Perfect. Yeah. Good. Say goodbye, Winston. Thanks for watching, guys. Maybe the next video we'll be cutting some logs up.